Alright guys, so this wig is from Wig Encounters on Instagram as well as their website, wigencounters.com, and this wig was sent to me months ago. I want to say probably either 2 months ago or 2.5 months ago, and I don't know when my life got this busy. Like, I thought I was busy before, but no, I'm like, new body goals, who deal, new for my fitness belts, who deal, new orders, who deal. It's just a lot that has been happening. So I know their hair is looking kind of janky, it's looking kind of crimpy. That's because this hair is wavy here, and this wave stays with you. Now I flat ironed this last night and I did put it to lie down, so that's why it's looking a little bit, you know, like cranky and stuff. But I honestly don't mind how it looks. I had to cut here. Here's a little bit choppy. I had to cut here because I didn't like how the bang was sitting on my face. The bang was like too small and I wanted it to be a bit broad. So that's why over here there's like this gap here because I'm not a professional band cutter. So far this hair is extremely soft and it is extremely silky. I have gotten shedding from it, not a lot, a little bit of shedding. As you saw, the wig is a wig. It's not a wig on a cap. It's like a full-on wig. You know. So yeah, the hair is soft. This is my first time putting it on and I'm not getting any tangles. It's almost too soft. This I would link in the, I'll put in the description bar the origin, but this really feels like Indian hair. I may be wrong, but I will let you guys know the origin in the description bar below and the length as well. I'm just trying my best to get my videos out because I have been so bad on recording and editing and uploading. So yes, again, this hair is by Wig Encounters. I believe I do have a discount code. I'm praying I do. I think that I do. It's been such a long time, I forgot the agreement. I really think I have a discount code. If not, your girl's gonna lobby for a discount code for you guys. Please check out their website. They have more wigs on the website, not just this one. They have a lot of nice wig inspiration as well, hair inspirations as well, which is why I chose this one, because the hair inspo was like, yes, give me that one. So yeah, again, Wig Encounters on Instagram as Jonathan, as well as their website, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I'm feeling winded and I think I know why. But I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Wig Encounters, thank you so much for trusting me to review your hair. Thank you so much for your patience. Your patience is A1. And even I told them that, oh, you know, I just think the bang is a little bit too small. They're like, oh, send us a picture, you know, let us guide you in the house. I'm like, you're so cute, you're so cute. But yeah, so that's basically it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.